Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm at Hong Kong International Airport and I'll be checking out Cathay Pacific's The Deck Lounge. Usually this is a business class lounge, but it's serving as Cathay Pacific's temporary first class lounge, while the other first class lounge, The Wing, is closed for renovation. This change started on May 21st, 2025, and is expected to stay this way until mid-2026. Access to the temporary first class experience at the deck is limited to passengers traveling in first class on Cathay Pacific or One World Partners, Cathay Diamond members, and One World Emerald members. Today, my uncle and I are both traveling from Hong Kong. Since he has One World Emerald status, I'm able to visit this lounge as his guest. One World allows Emerald members to bring one guest as long as that guest is also flying with the One World airline that day. The Deck Lounge is located near Gate 6, quite close to the Qantas Business Lounge. Walking in, the first thing I noticed was how exclusive the space felt. There were very few passengers around, so it felt really private, which reminded me of my first class lounge experience with ANA at Tokyo's Narita Airport. The interior design felt very consistent with the Cathay Pacific lounge I visited in Taipei. There were lots of warm woods and that signature green palette. While checking out the shelves, I found a Cathay Pacific themed Mahjong set. I've never seen anything like this before in any other lounge. There's also seating in the outdoor balcony area called the Terrace. It's much brighter than the indoor section, and you get a great view of the planes parked at the gates. If you're looking for a view, this is definitely the place to sit. There is also a restaurant-style dining experience in this outdoor terrace area. I think this restaurant-style dining may be unique to the temporary first-class lounge setup. If any of you have visited the Deck as a business class lounge before, what was your experience? Please let me know in the comments below. This is the a la carte menu. And this is the Noodle bar menu. I'll also show you the first class beverage and wine list here. The staff came around with a cart of canapés. A special menu showed that both the canapés and the cocktails were a collaboration with Mott 32, a famous global Chinese restaurant. The cart featured a seared scallop with crispy noodles, sweet and sour pork bites with dragon fruit, and braised tofu. I also ordered the Plum Refresher non-alcoholic cocktail from the Mott 32 menu. I thought it was a great option with a unique and refreshing taste. Later, my main arrived. I'm a big Wagyu fan, so I had ordered the Wagyu beef skirt. The quality felt restaurant level, but the meat didn't quite melt in your mouth like I expected from Wagyu. Before leaving, I did a quick walkthrough of the buffet. They had a wide spread of beverages, desserts, hot items, soup, choices of bread, and cold cuts and salad. I tried an apple tart dessert that had a surprising hint of salt, which really brought out the sweetness of the dessert. Though I didn't have time to check them out today, I wanted to note that the deck also has showers. Overall, I think Cathay Pacific did a great job making the deck feel like a first-class lounge. The low guest count and attentive service reminded me of my experience at the ANA First Class Lounge at Tokyo's Narita Airport. Also, the restaurant-style dining experience was especially impressive. I've never experienced anything like that in an airline lounge before, and it really took the whole experience to another level. If you enjoyed the video today, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. I really appreciate your support as it really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.